A good closing statement is a summary of the important arguments made during the hearing. It is done after all evidence has been presented. No new evidence may be introduced during the closing statement.
Mr. Best, please make your closing statement.
Thank you. The executive director has made several allegations against me, but the evidence presented today has failed to establish any breach of the Real Estate Act rules. Rule 42B says that an industry member must not participate in fraudulent or unlawful activities. You've heard from the mortgage broker, Steve Thomas, that he was the one who told the appraiser that he needed a certain appraisal value for the property. He was the one who created the fraudulent job letter. He was the one who created the fraudulent gift letter. I had nothing to do with this. Rule 41D requires me to fulfill fiduciary duties to my client. There is ample evidence that I did fulfill my duties. Ms. Boyd had asked me to help her find a home, and I did. She was happy with my services and the home. If Ms. Boyd did not lose her job and have the home foreclosed upon her, she would never have brought this complaint against me. The evidence also shows that I did ensure that Ms. Boyd clearly understood my role in the transaction. You heard here today that I told her at the outset I owned the home, and she did not make any further investigations into the home's history. You have proof that all relationship agreements were signed and brought to the attention of Ms. Boyd. You heard from her today how she wasn't really concerned with the paperwork, and she didn't read documents thoroughly or ask many questions. Therefore, I submit there was no breach of Rule 41E. I am an honest and hard-working real estate associate who was just trying to do the best for my client. I ask the panel to carefully weigh the evidence you've heard today and come to the conclusion that there were no breaches of Real Estate Act rules. Thank you.